naman, let's get fit with Mars Camille's workout dito lang sa Push Mo Mars!
So guys, are you ready?
Ready!
Tatlong exercises lang naman itong gagawin natin. So the first is the narrow squat. So yung paa natin has to be, dito ko kuya, yan. Narrow squat, so magsa-squat ka, and then we pulse. When you say pulse, gagalaw ka lang ng an inch. Up and down. So you see ang sakit niya sa thighs?
Yes!
So just keep at it for like 15, 20 pulses. And after this, we hold. Hold for like 30 seconds. I know! Ito yung mga times na medyo...
Parang sasakit mo, C80.
Sorry na, kuya!
Diba yung C80 pagka na...
Oo, diba yung nakaganyan ka lang ng matagal? But guys, it works. Maganda talaga siya. So ang ginagawa natin dito, pinapagod natin yung legs natin.
Okay.
That's the goal. So after that, release.
And then how many seconds release?
Siguro, let's just time it. Yung ginawa natin kanina, yung pulses natin, mga 15 to 20 pulses.
Okay.
And a 30-second hold after that.
30 seconds.
Okay.
So that's our first round. Our second will be a wide squat. Wide squat. Diretso pa rin. Wider a little ng sa hips natin. And then we squat. Ito, ang pulse naman natin, palabas. So yung legs mo, nagpo-push to the side. Yes. Kasi ang wino-work niya dito, yung side, side glutes mo, and also your inner thighs. Siyempre gusto natin yan as girls. So you just in and out, and then you hold for 30
Hold
seconds.
out or hold in?
Hold lang, as in stop. Don't move. Isometric hold for like 30 seconds. Breathe. Ito, masakit to, mga Mars at Pars, kaya huwag niyong kalimutang huminga at isipin niyo na hindi to forever. Tatayo din kayo. And stand. Woo! Sorry, guys.
Grabe.
Pinapawisan na rin ako, ha?
Good, good, good.
So, let's do this. So, ang tawag
Yes
dito...
na lang yes, hindi naman sa'yo.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, mahirap talaga
Squat
pag
pa rin to, but we're doing a plie squat. So when you say plie,
Plie, parang
alam mo
ballet.
yan, kuya, nakalabas, yung toes mo, naka-turn out, nakalabas siya. So like this. So para siyang mas wider, and then we pulse. Kahit hindi nakikita ng iba, basta you're moving it up and down, very small, very controlled movement. And then, after probably 20 pulses, let's hold. Open your legs kasi minsan yung tendency niya parang pumapasok siya paloob, so just make sure you open it. This is for your inner thighs, yan. Para sa mga gustong magka-thigh gap, this is perfect for you guys. And release. That's it!
Wow! I love that!
So just do probably 3 rounds of that.
Okay.
Sunog na yung legs mo. So, Faith, thank you for joining us today!
Thank you, Mars and Force, for inviting me again. Palagi ako nag-enjoy pag nandito ako sa Mars pa more.
Kaya nga, salamat at pinagluto mo pa kami ni Kuya Kim.
At masarap talaga yung niluto mo, no?
Thank you!
At saka hindi lang yan, binigyan mo kami ng young energy.